good egg.
It is once again time for the line. You with the area's premier attorneys, Fellerman and Ciarimboli.
Let's go.
Yes.
Let's go, Tom.
He's
Two
all
more
charged
days
up
of
today, guys.
turkey.
Get ready.
I love Thanksgiving. Absolutely love Thanksgiving.
Anna, we love you for submitting a question. You wrote, I suffered chemical burns after using a cleaning product that had no warnings about potential risks. How could I get this product off the shelves?
How can you get it off the shelves? Well, I don't know if they're just going to take it off the shelves. Obviously, you can report this to the Consumer Product Safety Commission indicating what happened to you, and they will do an investigation. We have a case right now where that is going on. It's a process for them to take it off the shelves, but you definitely can have a case against the manufacturer of this particular product, especially if this was not a risk that was disclosed on the label. I mean, generally speaking, the product shouldn't be burning you and suffering chemical burns. So, and also it just may have been a bad batch of that particular product. So you really need to do a thorough investigation to get to the bottom of this.
And I'd hold on to that product too. Whatever injured you or caused you a problem, you should hold on to it so it could be tested. Sometimes the companies actually want to get that product back. They want to see maybe it was a bad batch, something was wrong. So try to hold on to that. And then obviously, if you have questions like this, give us a call. We'll try to help you through it. But I mean, it's important, these, acting on them, preserving the evidence, documenting it, and then getting it out to the company and see what their response is. Because by the way, you may not be the only person it happened to.
Yep, absolutely.
It's a big process, so that's why you call Fellerman and Ciarimboli, where results always matter. And if you wanted your questions answered, all you have to do is visit the websites or give the hotline a call.